In today's video, I am going to show you the radicals on two lower key. So we have 2, 6, 2, 8, and 2, 9. According to the 10 fundamental key, 2 is left turn, and 6 is dot, and 7, or I should say 8, is right falling, and 9 is left falling. Let's begin with 2, 6. So the first character you can see, it begins with 2 because the outside here with the hook, this outside the case here is 2. And we have strokes inside, and the last stroke is dot. So this character itself is 2, 6. So if you would like to type this one, you press 2, 6, which is 2 lower English alphabet X. Oh, I haven't switched. Okay, so 2 lower, okay, and space. Alright, the next 2, 6 radical is right here. You can see, begin with 2, left turn, another left turn, and the last stroke is 6 dot. So 2, 2, 6. We pick 2, 6 as this radical. Okay, so we begin with this one, 2, 6, 2 lower. Continue on the right hand side the same, so we press 2 lower again. And then the next radical is 1, 9. Let's see, 1 horizontal, and the stroke 9 is left falling. 1, 9 is at 1 lower. Okay, so we've done 3, so we go to the last. The last is this one, 2, and 6, end with this one. So 2, 9, 6, 2, 6. We'll see that later. I think this one here, 2, 6, yeah. Okay, so 2, 6 is at 2 lower and space. Okay, so like I said, this one 2, 6, 2 left falling, and this is 9, and the last one is 6. So this radical 2, 6. Okay. Okay, so we begin with this one 1, 9, and 1 lower. And this one is 5, right turn. So we press fundamental key 5 middle. And last is 2, 6, 2, and 6 here. 2, 6, 2 lower, space. Okay, next one is also 2, 6. This radical has only 2 strokes. One is this left turn, and end with 6 dots. So 2, 6. Let's take a look. Left hand side is person, so person is a fundamental key, 8 middle. Continue, this is horizontal, so 1 middle. And last is 2, 6, 2 lower, and space. Okay, we have to pick the first one. Continue on the right hand side, 2. This is a left turn, and end with dot 6, 2, 6. So right hand side, this is 2, 6. So we begin from the left hand side. This is a 5 and 1. 5 is right turn, 1 horizontal. 5, 1 is at 5 upper. And this one is a 5, okay? 5 as in right turn. This is also a right turn. So 5 fundamental key, 5 middle. So we've done left hand side, right hand side is 2, 6, 2 lower, and space. Okay, so this one just looks like this one, only this is not vertical, but this one is. So this one is also the same, 2, left turn, dot 6. So how do we type this one? You can see here's a left falling 9, left falling again. So this radical is 9, 9. 9, 9 is at 9 lower. Continue this one, 2, 6. So we hit 2 lower. And last is right falling is right here, 8. Okay, so fundamental key, 8 middle, space. Okay, continue. This one is exception because according to the stroke, it's 3 and then 1. But some people write it as a 2 left turn. So we put this as exception 2 left turn and 6 dot. So left hand side is 2 6 2 lower. On the right hand side we have person A middle, fundamental key and space. Next one is 2 8 2 as for left turn and 8 right falling or person 8 in different directions. Okay, so the first one begins with 9 as left falling. So we press 9 middle. Okay, and the rest you can see begins with 2 and end with this 8 here. So this radical is 2 8. So we hit 2 lower in space, first one. Okay, so this one is the Chinese radical. If you write this radical like this one, the next character on the left hand side, it will change to .6, but we put them together. So this one is also 8. So if you would like to type this radical, you type 2 8, which is 2 lower key. So 2 8, 2 lower. And continue, right hand side we have person 8 and 1 horizontal 8 1. 8 1 is at A upper. At the end right lower corner square 0 fundamental key middle. So 0 middle and space. Okay, the next 3 characters, they all have the same radicals, which is 2 8, 2 as in left turn. So you can see left turn here, left turn, and left turn. And end with 8 right falling, or in this case, that would be 2 dots in right direction. 2 dots here, 2 dots here, 2 dots here. Okay, so let's begin with this one. This one begins with dot 6. So we hit dot 6 middle. Okay, and the next radical is 5 1. You can see 5 as right turn, 1 1 horizontal. So 5 1 is at 5 upper. And the rest 2 8, like I explained, 2 left turn and 2 dots 8. 2 8 is at 2 lower and space. First one. Okay, next one. Next one begins with dot 6, and this is 1 horizontal. So this radical is 6 1. 6 1 is at 6 upper. Continue, we have this 9 left falling, so we hit 9 middle. And last is this 2 8. I explained 2 8, so we hit 2 lower and space. Okay, next one begins with 1 and end with 9 left falling. So this is 1 9. So we hit 1 9, which is 1 lower key. Next one 1. So horizontal, 1 middle. Next one again. So 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And last is 2 8. 2 left turn and 8 2 dots. 2 8 is at 2 lower. First one. Okay, so the last radical 2 9 of 2 lower key. Let's see the first character. You can see on the left hand side begins with 2 left turn and continue. We have 3 vertical, and this is 1 horizontal, and end with 9 left falling. So you can see on the left hand side this is 2 9. 2 9 is at 2 lower. Continue, 4 cross and 1 horizontal. So this radical is 4 1. 4 1 is at 4 upper space. Okay, next one, 2 9 is here in the middle. 2 left turn and left volley 9. Okay, so let's take a look. The first one I explained before. This is dot 6 and 1 horizontal, 6 1, so 6 upper. Continue in the middle. This is 2 9, 2 lower, and person 8 middle and space. Okay, next one. You can see here's a 2 and 9, so this 2 9 radical happens here as well. So the first stroke is 2, so we hit fundamental key, 2 middle. Continues 2 9, so we hit 2 lower, and then in the middle upper we have dot 6, so 6 middle fundamental key. Alright, we've done 3, so we go to the last one. This is a 5 3. Begins with 5 right turn and end with 3 vertical. 5 3 is at 5 upper and space. Okay, last one, 2 9. You can see here 2 left falling and 9 as left falling. Sorry, 2 should be left turn. Yeah, left turn, and this is left falling. Okay, so according to the stroke, we begin with the square, and we have horizontal in the middle. So this character, this radical is 0 1. 0 1 is at 0 upper. And continue. This is 2 9, so we hit 2 lower key. The second one. Okay, so that's all for the 2 lower key radicals. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.